Okay guys, we're going to start with expanding single brackets. Now the word expanding means to multiply. So we're going to multiply, on this first example, everything on the outside of the bracket by each part that's inside the bracket. Arrows can help sometimes. So we're going to start by drawing our first arrow. So we're going to multiply those two things together. So 3 times x is going to give me 3x. Then I'm going to multiply the 3 by the 2, and that gives me 6. And whatever sign is in the middle of that bracket tells me what needs to go in between those two terms. So my final answer is 3x plus 6. Okay, next one then, we're going to multiply everything on the outside, which is that number 4, by each part on the inside of the bracket. So we're going to do 4 times y, which is going to give me 4y, and then 4 times 7, which is going to give me 28, with a plus in the middle, because that is a positive 7. Okay, next one then. Just because there's a negative, there's a minus inside that bracket, it works exactly the same. So we're going to have 5 times y, we're going to multiply the 5 and the y together first, that gives me 5y. Then we're going to multiply the 5 and the 10 together, that gives me 50. And don't forget it's negative or minus 50 because of that minus inside that bracket. Bottom and then question 4 is the hardest on the page. So we're still going to multiply everything on the outside by each part inside the bracket. We're going to do 6 times 3, which gives me 18x. Don't forget about the x. Then we're going to multiply the 6 and the 2 together. So that gives me 12. And don't forget that is a negative 2. Therefore, that needs to be a negative or take away sign inside that bracket.